ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ.
This is my dream, but only you can make it happen. So do not forget to subscribe. Please. Take care. Peace.
Oh, wow. I didn't expect it so early. Wow. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Oh, wow. Okay. This particular song, I think, is probably a deceiving song. People, I think Ram Charan sir and Junior NTR sir will have a plan to enter into the British territory. Okay, so look at the costumes. Okay, Ram Charan sir, the movie has been theming him as fire or symbolizing him as fire, so he's kind of having this orange tint on his dress. Okay, and Junior NTR sir has as water, so he's having this blue tint. Ram Charan sir is actually a police officer, so his hair is neatly combed. Okay, and I think probably NTR sir is one who lives in the jungles. I think he has a pet tiger as well, if I'm not wrong. So his hair is messed up. Wow, that is bloody detailing, and this is gonna explode in the theaters. Trust me when I say this. Okay, people are gonna go bloody crazy.
Taking on my life, no walking your way, my way. Ain't giving up on my kind of way, doing it all alone. This time I show you all my theory. The clock is ticking and flipping and shaking and breaking, but damn, I'm living. I ain't a smoker, ain't a drinker, dream doper, ain't a baker, ain't a kind of just a human, ain't a topper, ain't a flopper, mediocre, ain't a pleaser, ain't a teaser, peacemaker, ain't a popper, ain't a flop, middle glasser, ain't a hypocrite, ain't a rude run talker, I'm a mother clear, I'm gonna you, welcome to be my second name. Ni enna whatever, but it's a I mean, do the band.
Vanakkam, I'm Shoaib, also known as BC, but I'm also known as Mr. Earphones, and welcome back to my channel. So surprise from Team Triple R. Thank you so much. I love you people, okay? Because there was a tweet a few hours back that the song is releasing 1 hour earlier. It was announced 4 p.m. today, but it has released 3 p.m. and I'm super pumped up. I can't wait. Okay, all the Triple R reaction I've done, links in the description below. Many Tollywood reactions, links in the description below. That's it. I can't wait. I am super duper pumped up. Let's check it out. But before we go into it, please don't forget to subscribe, because there's loads more videos coming up, and 1 lakh subscribers is our target. Okay, and you have to help me do it. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Here we go. Shh. It's gonna be amazing. I wish there are dance visuals. Shut up. Let's go. Okay. I was one start. Hey. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. I was waiting for this. Okay. Oh. Damn. Here he is. Okay. Oh, I'm literally trying to visualize the video. Oh, 1 second. Come on. Get it. Oh, okay. Oh, there's gotta be much more dance. Trust me. Look at him. There are gonna be segments of independent dances, and that's what it was. Okay. Oh damn. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Oh wow. Okay. Damn. Wow. Buddy. Oh damn. Okay. Oh, loved it. Oh wow. Okay. Imagine this in the theaters. Wow. Okay. Loved it. Thank goodness. I was waiting for one last Pop Act performance, and when it happened, I lost it. That was crazy. Wow.
this is gonna have a lot of dance, because from the visuals, whatever I saw, the way they're working hard for it, the way they're sweating it out. I mean, Junior NTR sir is a crazy dancer. He's absolutely stunning, and Ram Charan sir is no less. And when they're sweating it out like crazy, it means the choreography has been there, okay? And these people are pulling it off. The one at the end got me yelling and screaming. Oh! I'm waiting for the whole video. I think there will be portions where they will dance separately as well. I think the second stanza kind of sounded that way. Okay, so now let me I'll tell you what all was going in my mind, okay? This particular song, I think, is probably a deceiving song, or it might be just an entertainment part as well. What do I mean by this is the fact that, what do I mean by this is that, first, maybe these people, I think Ram Charan sir and Junior NTR sir will have a plan to enter into the British territory, okay? So they probably fake like these entertainers, and they get into the kingdom, and just to convince them further into believing that they are these innocent people, I think they're getting into this particular dance thingy, and that's where this song comes, is what I'm guessing. One, or probably they are these good people, and these particular women folk of the British fraternity are also dancing. So I think it's probably just a celebration song. So it might be both of them. I mean, it might be both the options. That is one doubt that I'm having. The second is, look at the costumes, okay? Ram Charan sir, from the beginning, it has been symbolizing, I mean, the movie has been theming him as fire, or symbolizing him as fire. So he's kind of having this orange tint on his dress, okay? And Junior NTR sir has as water. So he's having this blue tint. So that's fire and water. They've subtly introduced that concept yet again. And if you see, Ram Charan sir is actually a police officer, so his hair is neatly combed, okay? And I think probably NTR sir is one who lives in the jungles. I think he has a pet tiger as well, if I'm not wrong. So his hair is messed up. So literally the characterization is so precisely, you know, given to us in every possible way, in every possible place. So wow, that is bloody detailing. And oh, I'm waiting for the whole video. I just can't wait for the whole video. I just want to see them go crazy, and this is gonna explode in the theaters. Trust me when I say this, okay? People are gonna go bloody crazy. I just want to witness that as soon as possible, because if I can lose it here on a laptop, sitting all alone, just imagine the theaters. Okay, done, I'm done. This is my reaction for Naattu-Koothu. I wish you people were as high as me when you heard the song, and let me know how pumped up you felt when both of them were dancing, okay? First it was the classic, the footstep, and then it was the Dappanguttu type. Oh, crazy. Okay, done. I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. So as I said, all the updates of RRR are related to, please do check it out. Links in the description below, and all other Tollywood reactions as well. Links in the description below. Please do not forget to subscribe, because there's loads more videos coming up. Okay, so stay tuned with the channel, because there's entertainment, many forms of entertainment on the way. Okay, so trust me on that, and subscribe and stay tuned is what I request you people. And in this video, thank you so much for watching, and until I catch you next time, this is Shoaib signing off. Take care and peace.